Dear friends and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important 6th class science chapter number 5 exercise question answers, that is separation of substances. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟನ್ಸಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಸಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟನ್ಸಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Chapter number 5 separation of substances. First question, why do we need to separate different components of a mixture? Give 2 examples. Right answer, we need to separate different components of a mixture to separate harmful or non-useful substances that may be mixed with it. ಹಾನಿಕಾರಕ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾನಿಕಾರಕವಲ್ಲದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದು ಒಂದನೇದು ಸಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಟು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದೆಮ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ತ್ಯಾಜ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 examples are, milk or curd is churned to separate the butter. Grain is separated from stalks while harvesting. Question number 2, what is winnowing? Where is it used? Right answer, winnowing means winnowing is a method of separating components of a mixture. It is used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. This method is commonly used by farmers to separate lighter husk particles from heavier seeds of grain. Question number 3, how will you separate husk or dirt particles from a given sample of pulses before cooking? Right answer, to separate husk or dirt particles from a given sample of pulse before cooking, we need to wash the pulses with water. Husk or dirt particles being lighter keep flowing in water and pulses grain will settle down, so we can easily remove them. Then water will impurities can be removed by decantation. Next question, what is sieving? Where is it used? What is sieving? Where is it used? Right answer, sieving is a method of separation. Sieving is a method of separation which allows the fine flour particles to pass through the holes of sieve while the bigger impurities remain on the sieve. It is used at home to separate pebbles and stones from sand. Question number 5. How will you separate sand and water from their mixture? How will you separate sand and water from their mixture? Right answer. We can separate sand and water from their mixture by ನೀರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಿಶ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಧಾನ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಕೆಂಟೇಷನ್. Sedimentation and decantation, these are methods. Being sand insoluble and heavier than water, it settles down at the bottom. Then after we can easily separate water from sand. Second method, filtration. The mixture of sand and water is poured on a piece of cloth or filter paper so that water goes down through it and sand remains on the piece of cloth or papers. Question number 6. Is it possible to separate sugar mixture with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it? Right answer. Yes, it is possible to separate sugar mixture with wheat flour. This can be done through the process of sieving. The mixture of sugar and wheat flour is allowed to pass through a sieve. The fine wheat flour passes through the sieve while sugar remains on the sieve. Question number 7. How would you obtain clean water from a sample of muddy water? By the method of filtration, we can obtain clean water from a sample of muddy water. The sample of muddy water is passed through a filter paper. Clear water will pass through the filtering medium while mud will remain on water. Question number 8. Fill up the blanks. ಬಿಟ್ಟಸ್ತರ ತುಂಬಿರಿ. First one. The method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalks is called. The methods of separating seeds of paddy from its stalks is called threshing. When milk cooled after boiling is poured onto a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind on it. This process of separating cream from milk is an example of dash filtration. Third one, salt is obtained Salt is obtained from seawater by the process of. Salt is obtained from the seawater by the process of dash. Right answer evaporation. Evaporation. Fourth one, impurities settled at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clean water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example is called sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation and decantation. Question number 9. True or false? Sari tappu tilisi. First one, a mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. And this statement is false. Second one, a mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing. This statement is false. Separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. This statement is false. Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. This statement is false. Question number 10. Lemonade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to the cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case would it be possible to dissolve more sugar? Right answer. We should add ice after dissolving sugar because the dissolving powder of water decreases with decrease in temperature. So if we add ice before dissolving sugar, less amount of sugar will get dissolved. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter exercise question answers, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.